In this video, I will show you how to change your battery on a Samsung J3. That's coming up. Alright, let's get started. So this is actually very easy to do. Alright, so Samsung J3. So what you want to do is you want to locate the tab. So this is the tab here. You're not going to need any special tools. You're just going to need your fingernail to do it. Now you got to be careful that it's not this tab, because this is actually your mic and your speaker. So you want to take your thumb or whichever finger has a longer nail, and you're just going to pry it open like this. See how it comes loose like that? Okay. And then you're just going to keep on going around the edge. You're going to keep on going until the whole thing comes right off. Now I would suggest just to keep on using your finger so you have it completely off. And there you go. See, it comes out. Now it reveals the battery. So if you purchase a new battery, depending on where you go, either the store or if you're gonna buy it on Amazon or wherever you're gonna buy it from. So there it is. All right. So that's what it comes out. See the contacts there. So all you want to do is just make sure that the label's facing out. Positive on this side, negative on this side. This is showing the logo on the outside. And then you're just going to pop it in. Now obviously this battery is still good, so I don't have to worry about it. So that's it. It's very simple to do. And then you're just going to put the casing back in. Very easy to do. Just going to make sure that it all clicks back together. Make sure all the sides are in. It's all good. Let's turn it on real quick. Make sure that it's working. Alright, so now you want to make sure, you're just going to turn it on, make sure everything's working properly. Okay. So there you go. That's it. It's installing the battery. You can see it's starting up, so you're good to go. Alright.